Okay, now good afternoon, everyone. It's 12:17 p.m. Nigerian time. You might be watching this video by your time, maybe morning, afternoon, or towards the evening. Just want to say thank you for showing up as usual. Now, this is a trade recap for gold. I've not traded gold. I do not trade gold actually, but I was, let's say, challenged to trade gold, okay, to see gold is a good commodity to trade at the moment. Okay. So let me um walk through it. Throughout my testing, I can see it's actually quite a good pair or commodity at the moment to trade. So I've done the back testing on it for a while. The same concept I've been teaching right from the first previous video. You might check my channel and you see previous videos, the same concept I keep using, same inducement, take out of liquidity and every other thing I keep using to enter what a trade. Now, currently, maybe the time you'll be watching the video, this particular setup might have played out or my hit SL or TP might not even trigger. So let's just see. Now, what are my thought process for me entering into this particular trade and why am I entering from this point? Okay. Now, let me take this out, put this into what demonstration. Now, what I want to do is, let's pick another pair, another server, Xauusd. Let's use Forex.com. All right, now this, quite simple. Firstly, I go down to the daily just to see what the direction of the market at the moment. Let's clear all of this. What's the direction of the market? Now, I can see on the daily that we were previously bullish. Price came, made a high here, made all-time high right around here. Then along those lines, made a retracement, broke structure, then finally took out the major swing leg right around here. Right now, I'm working with all of this. So I want to see. Now I'm going to take it down to 15 minutes so I can see properly. Now, on the daily, we are what? Bearish. Now, this is a retracement. So I want to take from my recent high to my recent low. As you can see, we can buy because we are what in the discounted and we are trying to buy up to the premium. So gold might do something like this. I buy to here, then do something like this, sell down, but I don't really know. I'm just predicting the market, working on probabilities. Now, I've already identified my direction. We are bearish. All right, now let's go to the 30 minutes. Let's see what's going on. So how can we work with what's currently happening? Now, all right, delete this. Delete this. All right. Now, on the 30-minute time frame, I can see that I would really making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now, this was the recent lower high that price initially took out, came. This was a buy, a sell, a buy, a sell, and a buy. Now, price came, took out liquidity, then broke structure, or should I say, took out the recent structure, then broke to the intended what direction at the moment. Now, okay, let me annotate this. Good. Sorry about that. Right. Now, we are working with this. If I was trading this pair at the moment, I would have loved to get him right around what there or something. But my strategy does not actually give me that permission because I know a lot of persons will say, okay, this is an inducement, and they'll be willing to take a long here, which is all fine and good. Targeting something right around here. All fine and good, but I do not trade that. I just follow the recent structure, what the recent structure is telling me. Now, as you can see, let me do something. All right. Now, what I currently see here is the fact that we made a low, a high, a low, and what price came to take out what the recent high, then broke structure again to the what downside. Now, for me, anything once I see this within the structure, my structure, what's it called? My focus is no longer on this leg. It's not currently on this leg. What is this leg going to tell me? At the moment, I was not trading gold at the moment. So this, I'm just analyzing what I'm seeing. So if I want to get in, the reason why I made the first trade entry, that I want to explain why I got it. Now I've seen this, so I want to make this where price then broke structure, intending to buy. So everything is now aligning. We have a discounted zone price respecting demand, buying to take out what extreme external range high. Okay. Now I want to work towards this particular point. I know that one thing about gold will not just go there like once. It won't just go directly there. It will gradually start doing something, go back, like you understand, you get it. So that's what I'm anticipating. But I want for me to get into this trade, I just need to follow what's currently happening here. I do not take this as a liquidity sweep. I know a lot of people buying from here, which is all fine and good to take out with this particular high, no problem. But for me, what I can see is that there's this demand here that has not been taken. There's this demand here that has not been taken, that has not been pushed. So this I'm seeing this as what liquidity. Okay, so I'll put in this as my liquidity, and I'll be ready to take a trade from what here. But my entry is a bit below here, but that's sniper entry. Then my stop loss is here. Then my first TP is here. You know, I do say target what your recent liquidity. With the quickest one price will take. Then you after taking it, then before start looking if price will come right around here. But my first TP is here, but my barrel TP is right around here at the moment. Now I'm risking little to gain what passively. I think they want to 12 risk to reward. It's not that this doesn't happen, but I prefer we'll take 1 to 3, 1 to 4. But this is good. It has high volume. I'll be willing to take in fact, I'll be willing to take 80% of my entries, the entry TP here, 1 to 8, probably. That's what I'll be doing. But for the rest of the thing, I don't really know what it's going to do. So this is where I'm taking my, what's it called? My entries on gold. That's the reason why if you go back to the previous charts, you see the reason why I'm taking this buys. So I was on someone's live stream at the moment. All right, sorry. I was on someone's live stream and I saw them selling from, I think they were doing a support and resistance. So okay, this is the point of resistance that will take price down. This is all well and good because price tapped here, went up. For those of you trading with support and resistance, it's a good strategy. But I don't really trade. I did trade it, but I didn't really focus more on it because I saw SMC. I felt this was really better, right? I'm not judging. Now, he said that price tapped here, went up, came back, tapped, reacted of it, broke, came back, nearly topped it, but well, the point of resistance went down. Now, he marked this out on the higher time frame. I think for lower time frame also. Then he got into it right around here. Maybe he got into it. Short position. Got into it right around here. Stops above this high. Then his target is actually my entry. Yeah, it's currently ongoing trade. Not this one, just this one. Currently ongoing trade. The first entry was here. It stacked up to this point for sales. The price went down, started retracing back. It's not currently here. You understand? So I'm not saying it's bad, but for me, I don't really see the reason for that because as you can see, price is massively bullish, not even bearish. I've not even seen anything. In fact, the price will even come down to this point is a 1 in a 0 chance. We might even take the high out before thinking of coming down here. So you understand? So I don't really know why people would do that, but I'm not judging. I'm just trying to say I won't trade like that. So now price might also sell down. I'm waiting for it here. So maybe by the time you're watching the video, price might have done what it wants to do, then continue to the current direction it wants to go. But all well and good. And I want to give you a quick one on gold. Let's see if we have any other what's it called? No? Nothing. Euro USD. All right. I'm currently on this trade. So I marked this out. Check my previous video. I marked this out for price to give me something again to buy. Price didn't give me that initially. So I've hit TP on this. So I'm currently on this one. Expecting price to buy up to this current point before selling. Now, this is my immediate low. So I'm just going to scale a little bit before closing my entries for this. So that's all about scalping. Wish you all the best. Those of you watching my videos, wish you the best. So I'll try my best to be dropping videos daily, probably on trades I take or trades I will not take, trades I just want to call out. Well, all depends. All right, guys. All right, I don't really think price is going to come to my entry because the current momentum I'm seeing, either it's going to buy to this point or sell directly from here. I don't really know. Either I'm expecting to buy to up to this point and for selling down. So all well and good. We just hope for the best. All right, everyone. See you all. Bye bye. I think I should. Did I did. End, yeah, end for all.